someday we were reading about Buddha. In the book, it was written he got enlightenment, but it wasn't written how he got it. So, do you know about it?
I have read about it, so I can help you know how he has got the enlightenment, right? So when he was started looking for, the enlightenment during the tour, he happened to reach to Bodh Gaya. That's a place in Bihar. And he was starving, not drinking, nothing. And he was just looking for enlightenment. So he was about to die. It was 45 days something around. So till, since then, he was fasting, not drinking a drop of even a water. So eventually he was extremely tired and he was sitting under a banyan tree. So उसको आज के डेट में bodhi tree बोलते हैं, ठीक है? तो there was a well there, right? एक कुआं था वहाँ पे, and there was, there were few गांव की जो औरतें थी ना, there were women who were, getting water from the well. And there was a folklore they were singing that time. Folklore माने जो गांव की जो गाने होते हैं ना, songs होते हैं, वो गा रहे थे. और उस गाने का मीनिंग जो था, वो मीनिंग था कि वीणा जो होता है ना, लाइक गिटार, राइट, न्यू एज म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट. सो उस पे वो गाना था. और उस गाने का मतलब ये था कि जो गिटार का स्ट्रिंग है वो आप इतना टाइट मत कर दो कि वो टूट जाए, और इतना ढीला भी मत रखो कि वो ही इज नॉट एबल टू, इट कैन क्रिएट म्यूजिक. सो देयर हैज टू हैव अ वेरी फाइन balance in the string strength, okay, so that you can create music. And that what stuck to Buddha, and he understood that just by starving and not drinking water is not going to enlighten. He has to stay alive to learn things, right? And that's where he requested a woman there to give him some water, and from there he started his enlightenment journey. And that tree is called Bodhi tree. So वो चीज़ है कि आप किसी भी चीज़ में एक्सट्रीम नहीं कर सकते. एक्सट्रीम करने में क्या होता है ना, कि हिंदी में कहावत भी है, अति सर्वत्र वर्जे. एक्सेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग और एनीथिंग इज डेंजरस. So there has to have a very fine balance to it. So that's the learning that you can get from Buddha's preaching and his enlightenment story. Got it?